I read my H-Town, talking about the nigga, talking ghosting. Get my money and I getting often. Talking getting money, I ain't tripping, spend it, cause I ain't down with it. I ain't come to this world with it, I ain't tripping. Making that money, making moves like I get it. Money talking about I get the kicks. And I got them shoes, don't forget, got some new ones. And I got some old ones. And I make them hoes new, call that new glue. Talking re-glue flow, talking shit like this I go. Going hard on the track, guess I got a flow. Talking shit like throw it right back, but I throw it in your face, got that hang. I'm out to these niggas, rapping fame. Yeah, I make you so hard, I make you that shame. I ain't even tripping, call these niggas talking lame. You is a lame nigga, never fucking fame, nigga. Whoop your ass talking shit, reppin' that aim, nigga. I got this aim clip right to your forehead, talking shit and I ain't tripping. You gon' ahead, pop 2 to the head like 9 clips. I guess I gotta get it, I ain't tripping. You can get a key without being the owner. First, I'm from the city, first 48 shoulder. I got the booger sugar. Come with play with the nose and you better be the feds, so they cheat with the codes. The price be right, no reference on a TV show host. I can't believe I'm seeping, but I ain't even trying. I'm doing rap game, but these niggas think I'm dying. I'm repping on these tracks, but I feel it cause I gotta do it, boss. And I'm talking shit, gotta flow. This barbershop flow and this hoe going in. BET gon' remember this shit. I be dead, cause I did it. Talking shit, I just tipping and these niggas T, I did it. He went back to jail and still did it. Talking shit right now, nigga, talking bankhead, cause we rep it. From that H-Town, we do it. We talking shit, but I trippin' cause I know it. So real, I feel it cause I talking shit. Feel it like I feel it cause we writing in braille. Oh, so smooth with the beat, going hard. These niggas can't see me, these niggas can't talk. They talking about the same shit, spark another lighter. I'm talking shit, getting high and then getting brighter. Lights so ring, open up in the ways to me. Talking shit, these niggas I'ma meet. They gon' greet, tell these niggas what's up. Talking about this shit is up. Go and drink a city, drink up. Drink in my cup, going hard, going starve. Talking to these niggas never hungry, but I gotta get my money. Talking shit, one out of way out of the other. We getting shit, but you not my brother, I get it hard. Everybody's my brother and sister, going head, going Ted. These niggas, they going fed.